A very good evening to you. I'm Dwayne Berbick with your Business Day. Finance Minister Audley Shaw has signaled that he wants to reduce the time after which cash in dormant accounts are transferred to the government. Mr. Shaw addressed the issue as he addressed the Young Entrepreneurs Association YEA meeting on Wednesday. Dashan Hendricks reports.
This is the scale of money currently in dormant accounts in Jamaica.
About $45 billion sit in dormant accounts now. And it has become an issue of recent controversy because many of our institutions have decided that dormant accounts are fair game for pickings.
Banks have suspended fees and charges on dormant accounts in the face of a public outcry over them charging them. But Mr. Shaw has indicated that the government wants to get its share of the pickings and much sooner than currently obtains.
Because under the rules right now, an account remains dormant for 15 years, then it goes back to government. But I'm seriously thinking that 15 years is a long time. And the government, we have to look at a possible policy of reducing that time frame. And it's something I intend to put to cabinet.
He did not outline a new time frame for cash in dormant accounts to become a part of the country's revenues, but Mr. Shaw says all the money will not go into the consolidated funds. He wants to use some to finance small and medium-sized businesses.
With adequate insurance measures to ensure that if somebody turns up to claim a dormant account, then funds will be there to satisfy those demands.
Bank accounts are classified as dormant if there is no customer activity for 2 years for saving accounts and 1 year for current accounts. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.84. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $97.26, up $1.26. The pound sterling costs $160.91, while the euro sells for $137.29. The government is exploring the use of compressed natural gas along with diesel oil as well as liquefied natural gas LNG to fuel Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC buses. In that regard, the JUTC will participate in 2 pilot programs. Transport and Mining Minister Mike Henry made the revelation in his sectoral presentation to Parliament yesterday.
There's a proposal that is virtually ready for signing to manage a pilot project to determine the feasibility of transforming the publicly owned bus service to liquid natural gas fuel platform. This is to be rolled out under the JUT stewardship at Montego Bay Metro Bus Company in the second city through a bus and fuel supply platform along with technical guidance from New Fortress Energy.
Mr. Henry says going this route would save the government a significant sum.
Success with the project would see the overall public-operated bus service being gradually switched to LNG, with both efficiency and environmental considerations being foremost in mind. With the aspect of not being able to buy any buses under its national issue, I want to be clear. The purchase of these new buses will be part of this development and be no cost to the country as we move forward with this pilot project for the first 5 buses.
General accident insurance companies reporting increased profits for the financial year ending December last year. For the period, it made $386 million compared with $304 million the prior year. The insurance company achieved this with writing less gross premiums. And finally, stocks ended mostly lower today, pulling the main JSE market index down more than 288 points, while the junior market index gained more than 44. The winners of the day included Access Financial, ISP Finance, Jetcon, Lasco Financial, NCB Financial Group, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were C2W Music, Carib Cement, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers Group, the JMMB Group, Main Event Entertainment, Panjam, and T-Tech. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Berbick. Have a great evening.